Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be in discussion of the English first additional language, the 9 term 3 scope. So within the first to the second week, will be focusing more on the listening and speaking, reading and writing and presenting, language structures and conventions. So within the listening and speaking, we're going to be focusing more on the listening and speaking strategies, which are the structure and development of ideas, using negotiation skills to reach consensus, and language style, and the conversation, and within a conversation, how it should be used. We should use the appropriate voice, tone, and pace. There should be punctuation in reading, body language, and contact with audience. Within the reading and viewing, like when you're doing things like reading a literature text, something like drama, there should be specific focus on literary text features. The reading process, the reading for comprehension, which includes skimming for main ideas, scanning for supporting details, making predictions, inferring the meaning of unfamiliar words and images, the influence of selection and omission on meaning of text, the effect of figurative and rhetorical devices, impact of visual techniques. Within the writing and presenting, we focus on the transactional text, just like a dialogue, which includes the word choice, personal voice and style, vivid descriptions, tone, main and supporting ideas, mind map to organize coherent ideas, and the main focus on the writing process, which is planning, drafting, revision, editing, proofreading, presenting. And you should write a dialogue following the process to approach to writing. Within the language structures and conventions, we learn about the work level work, sentence level work, word meaning, things like paronyms, polysemies, homonyms, and homophones. We should be able to use the punctuation and spelling. The spelling patterns should be in order so that we can have a great vocabulary in context. Within the third to fourth week, we should be learning or be more in discussion of effective research techniques that supports the topic, driving questions and hypotheses led by the teacher. You should be able to you're gonna learn about the reading strategies, which are skimming, scanning, visualization, intensive reading, making inference, making of new words, phrases, viewpoint of writer, fact and opinion, implied meaning, etc. And you should be able to compile a bibliography of the resources used. You're going to also learn about the visual text, which includes skimming for main ideas, scanning for supporting details, making predictions, inferring the meaning of unfamiliar words and images, reviewing to promote understanding, the effect of selections and omissions on meaning, the effective of figurative rhetorical devices, impact of techniques, of visual techniques, synthesizing of selected information into a graphic organizer, mind map, or infographic. Within the writing and presenting, we're gonna speak about, or you're gonna learn about how to select the appropriate organizer for the type of text to be produced. Use correct language structures and conventions. Each text will determine the appropriate language to be used for the project. The word meaning, literal and figurative, denotative and connotative and figurative. Critical languages usages, colloquial and jargon, punctuation and spelling, which include spelling patterns. So this is what you're going to cover within the 2025 scope of grade 9 English FAL.